how you doing? I'm Carl. Come here, bitch. Stand and deliver. We are cooking, baby. Yes, we are doing it. Oh, yeah, just like Gambino back in 012. He was all like, I wanted you to know I'm ready to go. Oh, yeah. I got totally arrested that night. We are doing it. We're doing some, gonna do some meat today. All right. First of all, I can't believe they let me back in the pros after what happened last time, you know. No. I ain't a druggie. I don't buy it. I mean, I do. Somebody pass it to me or whatever, you know what I mean? We do the onions. Throw them on there. Get a little bit of the oil. Oh, yeah. I don't know. It's pretty badass or something. Oh, yeah. You need to be smelling on this. Oh, no. It says, "For do not enter my pool." Ass man. Oh, yeah. While those babies are going, we do the meat. Salt the meat. Throw it on there. No. Save the Mariah for Christmas. Shove it just right up your ass. Smash it down, baby! You gotta freaking smash it! Oh yeah, these are bad boys. Oh yeah, we're throwing it all on there.
Crazy, brave, same basic thing. Yeah. Are you guys ready? Yeah! All right, they're gonna jump in 3, 2, 1.
Oh, no, you don't.
Is it cold?
Hey! Get out of my freaking pool!
I don't know about you guys. I like mustard. I want to do it. We do a nice potato pie. Oh yeah, we are cooking. We are cooking. You know, maybe you wanna have some fries, or you know, like a solid shake with these ones. Hey, you think I should take another pass at this or something? I still see some paint and it's starting to mock me. Don't be wondering about these over here. These are daddy's beers, you know what I mean? Oh yeah, they are. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That smells so sexy. Oh, here's the solo. Oh yeah, you get him in there. Put it under. Whittly wah! Oh yeah, you doing it. Whittly wah! You do it. You put it under. Oh yes, you are. Don't beat that. Yes, you are, baby. Oh yeah, you do it. You take a little bit of the Shire. The worst shit. Oh yeah, it smells so good. Whittly. Now we are smelling so good up here. Whittly. Oh yes we are. Whittly. Wow. Yes, we do the cheese. They say, oh yeah. It's that cheddar fontina on there. Oh, it is bomb! Oh, Carl, you are the man! Oh, yeah, I wrote that, baby. One's called I Want to Rock Your Body. And in the parentheses, to the break of dawn. Oh, yes, you are doing it! Oh, yeah, it feels pretty good out here. Might, get new. You know, and you know, we have a few beers while we cooking, you know it. Hello? Nothing. Why you call me here? Yeah, I've cooked like that since grade school. Oh yeah, we are sizzling like fajita meat. Oh yeah, now we stack them up. Oh yes, we do that. So I saw this extension cord. You know, I was plugged into my house. And put 2 and 2 together and decided you're pissing me off. We are sizzling tonight! Tonight! Oh, I want to take your nice toasted bun. Oh yeah, too wicked! Sauce! You do the pickles? That's important. How do I like my tube steak? I like to pocket in some yeah! Oh, yes, you are. It's so good. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. Look at that juice. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.